So in this video, we're going to take a look at lookalike audiences. So I'm just showing you a demo account that's up here, but a lookalike audience can be created based on any custom audience you've already set up. So that custom audience might have been on website visitors, which is that we saw in a previous video, or it could be, for example, people who interacted with your Instagram profile or watched particular videos within Meta, or for example, that you uploaded from MailChimp from an email list, or the property management system, or wherever it came from. So we have one in here that we're going to use. I've already selected that particular audience here, and we just click in here and say create a lookalike audience. So this is the custom audience that it is based on, but a lookalike audience should be quite substantial. So for example, in here, if we typed in United States in here, which makes quite a large population, and that's why I chose it. So here you can see, for example, 2.8 million people. If we said people who are like that, 2.8 million people is the people who would be quite similar to that. So that's quite a large size. Now, if for example, we actually change that, we X out of that and put in Ireland, and we select Ireland in here, you can see it's a lot smaller. And Facebook or Meta are now recommending that as much as possible, you should be aiming for an audience that is up to 2 million. So if I increase it here up to 10%, then it'll increase the amount of people that it will work with. So as much as possible, trying to get it to up to 2 million. But in reality, an awful lot of small businesses, especially those based in Ireland, won't get anywhere near that. But as much as possible, you should be trying to make these lookalike audiences large. Now, we're looking at a website one, but you might also include, people who've interacted with your Meta page and make multiple lookalike audiences, and they can be very effective.